Dad, can I talk to you?
Of course, Laura. Come here, sweetie. Sit here.
Today was bad day for me, Dad.
Oh, I can see that. Tell me, sweetie, what happened?
At school, my friends laughed, Dad.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry, sweetie.
They did not play with me. They walked away, Dad.
Oh, dear. That hurts.
I felt ill all day. My head hurt. My body felt weak.
That is very hard, sweetie.
In English class, my teacher asked many questions
About what?
about present tense, all 4 types.
All 4. I see.
Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous.
That sounds big.
It felt too big. I got confused, Dad.
That is okay, sweetie. We will make it small. First, breathe.
Okay,
Good. Now listen slowly.
I am listening.
Present tense talks about now.
Now?
Yes, your life, your actions.
So it helps me talk about myself?
Exactly, sweetie.
That feels important.
First one, simple present tense.
Okay, Dad.
We use it for habits. Remember this easy formula for simple present. Subject plus base verb.
I wake up. I go to school.
Perfect.
I eat breakfast. I study English.
Very good. Now, second one, present continuous tense.
That one scares me, Dad.
Don't worry, sweetie. We will make it super easy. We use it for now actions. Easy formula. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing.
I am studying.
Good.
I am listening.
Excellent. Third one, present perfect tense.
I forget this one, Dad.
It is okay, sweetie. We use it for life experience. Easy formula for you. Subject plus has/have plus past participle.
I have learned English.
Nice.
I have done my homework.
Very good. Last one. Present perfect continuous tense.
That sounds long, Dad.
Yes, but meaning is simple. It shows how long. Easy formula to remember, sweetie. Subject plus has/have been plus verb ing.
I have been studying.
Perfect.
I have been waiting.
Excellent. Now let's use your life to practice some sentences. Simple present,
I go to school every day.
present continuous,
I am studying now.
present perfect,
I have learned many words.
present perfect continuous.
I have been studying for 1 hour.
Amazing, my little champion. Now say a short paragraph.
I wake up early. I am studying English now. I have learned many sentences. I have been practicing all day.
That is very good English.
I did not feel scared saying this.
Because you understand it, sweetie. Now repeat after me. I learn every day.
I learn every day.
I am learning now.
I am learning now.
I have learned a lot.
I have learned a lot.
I have been learning patiently.
I have been learning patiently.
Wow, that sounded strong, sweetie. Now, final recap. Go.
Simple present is for habits.
Good.
Present continuous is for now.
Yes.
Present perfect is for experience.
Correct.
Present perfect continuous is for time.
Perfect, my superstar.
Dad, I feel different now.
How, sweetie?
I feel calm. I feel confident.
Wow, you should, Laura.
English is not scary, Dad.
Because you learned slowly.
Thank you for helping me so much, Dad.
Always, Laura.
I can answer my teacher now.
I believe in you.
I feel proud of myself.
And I am very proud of you, sweetie.